University Centre Birkenhead is our dedicated health and nursing education facility based in the heart of the community where our nurses provide care. It is easily accessible by road and public transport from Chester, Liverpool and beyond. We take a holistic approach to managing nursing education and teaching, and the facilities here are second to none. Our fully equipped skills lab resembles a modern, high-tech hospital ward, the perfect environment to practice your clinical skills and grow in confidence before placements. Alongside our specialist facilities, we have well-equipped classrooms, IT suites and meeting spaces for group work. Our dedicated health and social care library is well stocked with course-relevant books and journals and is managed by expert staff. The library's quiet study areas and networked computers are invaluable when assignments are due. Even nursing students get some downtime, and when they do, the campus cafe provides a welcome opportunity to relax with friends over a cup of tea with bird's eye views of Liverpool.